Solvolysis of bromomethyl cyclopentane in methanol gives a complex product mixture of the following 5 compounds. Propose mechanisms to account for these products. So if we do solvolysis of this molecule, we are getting 5 products. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we do solvolysis of this molecule, we are getting mixture of 5 product. We have to predict the mechanism for the following 5 product. If you remember, in solvolysis, we first make a carbocation by losing a leaving group. So what we have to do, we have to lose a leaving group, in this case bromine is a leaving group, to form a carbocation. So we have to form a carbocation. And this can be done if I break this bond. So there will be heterolytic cleavage, and we will get a primary carbocation, that is 1 degree carbocation. Now 1 degree carbocation is very less stable, so it will rearrange. Now there are 2 ways to rearrange. So first is, we can shift this hydrogen, that is hydride shift. So if I do hydride shift, this hydrogen will be shifted, and here we will have CH3, and we will have positive charge here. So we will have a 2 degree carbocation. No, this is a 3 degree carbocation. So this carbon is connected to this side carbon, this side carbon, and this side carbon. So this is a 3 degree carbocation. Now another way to rearrange this carbocation is ring expansion. That is alkyl shift. So in this case we will have ring expansion by alkyl shift. So if I shift this alkyl group here, now we will have, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will have a 6-membered ring. Let us call 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Carbon number 5 will have only 3 bonds, so it will have a positive charge. So carbon number 5, this one, it will have a positive charge, because if I break this bond, this will have one bond this side, one bond this side, and it will have one hydrogen, so it will have only 3 bonds, so there will be a plus charge. Now next reaction or next products can be generated by these 2 carbocation. So let us first consider this carbocation. So consider carbocation 1. So we have Now if this carbocation loses H plus from here, it will generate an alkene. This carbocation can also lose a hydrogen H plus from here. In that case we will have another alkene. So these two are elimination product. This carbocation can also be attacked by solvent. Solvent can act as a nucleophile. So if this attacks here, we will have CH3 this side we will have OCH3. Oxygen will have a plus charge, so we can lose H plus to get the final product. So we will have CH3 one side and another side OCH3. Now this product is substitution product because we have added one OCH3. So this is substitution. Now let us consider carbocation 2, that is this one. Once again, this carbocation can do elimination or it can do substitution. So if loses one H plus, it will form an alkene. And if this carbocation is attacked by a solvent molecule, solvent can act as a nucleophile. If I lose H plus, then finally I will have a substitution product. So this one is substitution product. And this one is elimination product. So let us compare these product with the product given. So we have 5-membered ring and double bond CH2, that is product number 1. So this is my product number 1. CH3 and double bond inside the ring, that is product number 2. So this one is product number 2. Then we have OCH3 CH3, that is product number 3. So here we have, that is product number 3. And 4 we have an alkene, and 5 we have substitution product. So 4 is alkene and 5 is substitution product. So you see what we have done in writing mechanism for this reaction. First we have generated a carbocation, that is generation of a carbocation. Second step we have, that is rearrangement of carbocation. And it can be either hydride shift or it can be a ring expansion. Hydride shift, or you can have a ring expansion, that is alkyl shift. And the last step we have, this carbocation formed can be either attacked by a nucleophile or it can lose H plus to give an alkene. So either substitution or elimination. So this will lead to all the given product we have here.